Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to crop images in Figma. Whether you're working on a UI design, preparing assets for a presentation, or just want to clean up an image for your next creative project, knowing how to crop images in Figma will save you tons of time and make your visuals look super polished. By the end of this video, you'll be able to crop any image into any shape you like, all within Figma's powerful design interface, no extra software needed. Let's jump right in. So first things first, go ahead and open up Figma. If you haven't already, log in and create a new file, or simply open an existing design project where you want to crop your image. Figma's flexibility makes it really easy to adjust images on the fly, so you can use this technique pretty much anywhere in your workflow. Now you should have your sample image ready to go. Just drag and drop your image onto the canvas, or use the File menu to place it. Having your image in front of you is the best way to visualize exactly how and where you want to crop it. Think of this as preparing your canvas before you start painting. It's all about setting up for success. Next up, we're going to focus on cropping the image, but here's the cool thing. Figma doesn't have a traditional crop tool like some apps do. Instead, we use something called a mask. Don't let that word throw you off. Masks are just a way of showing only the parts of your image that you want, kind of like putting a shaped sticker over a photo and only seeing what's inside the sticker. Here how it works. First, add a shape to the canvas. For this example, I'll use an ellipse, but you can use any shape you like: rectangle, star, polygon, whatever fits your creative vision. To add an ellipse, click on the Shape tool in the top bar and select Ellipse, then click and drag on the canvas to draw it. Don't worry about getting it perfect on your first try. You can always resize it by dragging the edges and move it into position over your image. Take a moment here to line up the ellipse exactly where you want to crop. Treat it like you're framing a picture before putting it on the wall. Move it around, adjust the size, and make sure the part of the image inside the shape is exactly what you want people to see. Alright, once your shape is in place, make sure the ellipse is sitting directly above the image on the Layers panel. If not, just right-click on the shape and choose Send to Back. This ensures the shape is behind the image, which is important for the next step. Now select both the shape and the image together. You can do this by holding down Shift and clicking both layers or dragging a selection box around them. With both selected, you'll see an option in the top menu called Use as Mask. Go ahead and click that. And just like magic, your image will be cropped perfectly to the shape of your ellipse. If you ever want to change the crop, just double-click the mask group. You can move the image or reshape the ellipse at any time, which is super forgiving and non-destructive. So don't worry if it's not perfect on your first go, you've got total flexibility. And that's it. You've successfully cropped an image in Figma using masking. It's a quick process, but it opens up some really creative possibilities for your designs. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tips. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another design tutorial. See you in the next video.